Good morning, students. Students, today I am talking about the second kind of natural resource and which plays a very important role in our life. And this natural resource is considered as water. Students, initially I want to tell you that our earth is differentiated into various spheres in which a sphere is very major or plays a very important part in the existence of life, and this is called water or hydrosphere. And actually, what are forming hydrosphere? We know oceans, rivers, streams, lakes, ponds, pools, polar ice caps, ठीक है, as well as the water vapor which is present in our atmosphere. It is forming the hydrosphere. These are collectively forming hydrosphere. ठीक है, and I want to tell you that this water is very essential component of life. ठीक है, and this water is of two different types. The first one is called fresh water and the second one is called saline water or marine water. ठीक है. Now initially I want to tell you that why water is considered as very important component of life, or what are the necessities of water in our life. So as one by one I will tell you by different points. Initially I will tell you that as we know that our body is multicellular, not our body only. If you will observe all the body organizations of all living organisms, so you will find out that all the living organisms are composed of cells. So means cell is a basic building unit of the life. And if you will observe the structure of the cell, if you will observe the structure of the cell, you will find out that the cytoplasm which is present inside the cell is basically composed of water, and this is the site for the various chemical processes. तो मीन्स जितनी भी सेलुलर प्रोसेसेस होती हैं वो सब इसी वाटर में होती हैं, जो कि साइटोप्लाज्म का बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट होता है. नाउ सेकंड, all the reactions that take place within our body within the cells occur between the substances, ठीक है, are dissolved in water. As I mentioned earlier, all the cellular processes are taking place in water. तो कहने का मतलब है कि what are cellular processes? All the metabolic processes. ठीक है, all the metabolic processes means all the anabolic processes, all the catabolic processes. ठीक है, जो भी केमिकल रिएक्शन आपकी बॉडी में हो रही हैं, उन केमिकल रिएक्शन में जो भी केमिकल पार्टिसिपेशन कर रहे हैं वो सारे वाटर में डिजॉल्व होते हैं, और वो वाटर कहाँ प्रेजेंट होता है? आपके साइटोप्लाज्म में प्रेजेंट होता है. नेक्स्ट थिंग, आई एम गिविंग यू वन एग्जांपल. सपोज यू आर वॉकिंग रेगुलरली, योर लेग्स आर वर्किंग. ठीक है, आपका लेग्स लगातार वर्क कर रहे हैं, तो यूर लेग्स विल डेफिनेटली, द सेल्स ऑफ योर लेग्स विल रिक्वायर एनर्जी, एंड वी गेट एनर्जी फ्रॉम द फूड. तो अब एक बात ध्यान से सुनिएगा, वी आर ईटिंग फूड, वी आर डाइजेस्टिंग इट, वी आर एब्जॉर्बिंग इट. यानी हमारी एलिमेंट्री कैनाल से जो फूड हमारी लेग की मसल्स तक जाएगा, लेग की सेल्स तक जाएगा, उन्हें कौन लेके जाएगा? ब्लड. एंड व्हाट इज़ द कंपोजिशन ऑफ ब्लड? यू नो वेरी वेल दैट ब्लड इज कंपोज्ड ऑफ 90% ऑफ वाटर. ठीक है, तो इट मीन्स द वाटर इज हेल्पिंग इन द ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऑफ वेरियस थिंग्स in the body of the living organisms. ठीक है, is it clear? And as I mentioned earlier that there are different types of water, fresh water as well as the saline water or marine water. So we know that the terrestrial life forms require fresh water because our body cannot tolerate high amount of dissolved salt in the saline water, while the marine water organism can survive in the salty water because where the salt concentration is quite a little bit higher. ठीक है, now I am talking about water pollution and its harmful impacts. So as I mentioned earlier that what is pollution? Pollution means any kind of undesirable physical, chemical, biological change. Now while I am talking about water pollution, so I can say that water pollution is a kind of undesirable physical, chemical and बायोलॉजिकल चेंज इन द कंपोजिशन ऑफ वाटर. यानी वाटर के कंपोजिशन में किसी तरह का फिजिकल, केमिकल और बायोलॉजिकल चेंज आ रहा है which is harmful for us as well as our related organisms. So we can consider it as water pollution, or in other words we can say that any kind of contamination in water can be considered as. ठीक है, contamination means addition of harmful or unwanted substances. ठीक है, and what are these harmful or unwanted substances? I want to tell you that where we are using various pesticides, insecticides, ठीक है, as well as chemicals, ठीक है, और fertilizers, ठीक है, to increase the crop production. But when what happens during the rainfall, when water comes down and the rainwater flows through the agriculture field and gets mixed with the oceans, lakes or ponds. ठीक है, it changes the composition of water in that particular water resource and causes water pollution. Except it, the sewage means the waste products, the water containing waste products. ठीक है, uh, while released from the houses and reaches to the water resource, it causes contamination or water pollution. Similarly, from factories, ठीक है, the effluent is coming down and it gets mixed with the water resources and causes the water pollution in rivers as well as the lakes. ठीक है, except it, there are various thermal plants, and from these thermal plants the hot water is discharged. ठीक है, and when it is discharged into the water bodies, so it changes the temperature of that particular water body and causes adverse impact or contamination, and threatens to and causes threat to aquatic life. So I hope so कि you understood what is the concept of water pollution and what are the different agents which are causing water pollution. Now I am telling you that what are the harmful impacts. The first one impact, you can say that the substances like fertilizer and pesticides used in the farming, ठीक है, mercury salt used by the paper industries can be poisonous. ठीक है, and they could also be disease causing organisms like bacteria which causes cholera. तो means uh, I have to say that कि fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides or the waste products of the industries are very poisonous and they can contaminate water. ठीक है, uh, and industrial as well as the household waste reduces the BOD. BOD मतलब they increase the BOD, biological oxygen demand, और simple in simple words we have to say that कि ये वाटर में जो डिजॉल्व ऑक्सीजन है इसके लेवल को डिक्रीज करते हैं. ठीक है, जिसकी वजह से उसमें रहने वाली एक्वेटिक लाइफ थ्रेटेंड हो जाती है, उनको बड़ा खतरा हो जाता है. ठीक है, एंड aquatic organism can stay alive in a certain range of temperature. Sudden changes in the temperature of the water bodies is dangerous for aquatic organism and affect their breeding. तो simply I want to say that suppose there is a pond and that particular pond are fixed temperature of water is there. ठीक है, if we are adding thermal water from the thermal power plant, so definitely the temperature of the water will increase because of the water which is released from the thermal water plant. ठीक है, thermal power plant, because it is hot water, and the aquatic organism, either it is plant or animals, they can reproduce, they can breed or they can grow only in a certain range of temperature. If suddenly the temperature will increase, so it will show adverse impact on their life. So in this way I am concluding what is water, what is its essentiality, what is water pollution, and what are the harmful impacts. Thank you, bye bye, and have a nice day.